Techies, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is threesome. And the problem statement here says that we have given an array, okay, and we have to return a unique triplets. That is the num I, j, and k. If we do the sum of all the three, that is equal to 0. And one more constraint is that I is never be equal to j, and I is not equal to k, and j is not equal to k, right? So, if you see the example here, and whatever the triplets we are going to return in the solution, that will be not a duplicate. All the solution set will be always a unique. Okay, and if the statement like this, if all the triplet contain some values other than, and then we are doing the sum of all the three, and that is not equal to the 0, in that case we will return a empty array, right? And if the all the triplets in the array, in our given array, is equal to 0, and we do the sum of, and that is equal to 0 obviously, so in that case we just simply return it, right? So the approach we are going to follow here is the two pointer approach, right? So what we are going to do, first we will sort the array, and then secondly what we are going to do, we will use a loop to fix one element, right? And apply two pointer technique over the two remaining elements, right? And lastly what we have to do, we have to skip the duplicates, because we don't need a redundant triplets as the question says, right? So let's start with the step one. So in the step one, what we have to do, we need a list first, because we are returning a list of integers, and we will name it as result is equal to new array list. Fine. Now we have to sort, as the first step says. We will sort this. What we have to sort, we have to sort the array, given array. Fine, this is the first step. Now we have to iterate. Okay, for int I equal to 0, is less than num stop length minus 2 and I plus. Right? Okay, every iteration we will subtract 2. If I is greater than 0 and and your nums is equal to nums I minus 1, in that case what we have to do, we have to continue, because in that case we will get a duplicates only, so we have to skip those duplicates. So we will just continue. I will continue. Okay, then we have to do one for the left and one for right we need. So left will be always equal to I plus 1. Okay, and the right will be equal to the length. So num stop ngth length minus 1. Right? Now we need a loop here. While left is greater than right, in that case, and sum equal to num I plus, then we need left, yes, we need left and plus the right element comes right. And after that what I have to do, exactly which we have done in this sum of two numbers. So we have to check sum is equal to 0. In that case we just simply return the result. So result dot add arrays dot as list, and inside this we have to pass the all the values. All the value means all these three. We just copy it, paste it, and separate it by comma. Okay. Now, after doing this if, there will be a case where we have to skip the duplicates again, right? So we have to run inside this only while 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 left, right. What we are going to do, we are skip the duplicate for left and right pointer, okay? Otherwise we will get our repeated values only. Okay, and then nums left is exactly equal to nums left plus 1. So what we are going to do here, left plus plus, right? And let me copy again for the right here. Control C, Control V, and exactly same. Just simply we have to. Okay, let me close this bracket. Close this also. Use extra bracket. There's another extra bracket. Name it as right. And here right minus 1 only. G minus 1, and here we have to do right minus minus. Okay, fine. Now after this, we have to do left plus plus and right minus minus. Now we have skip all the duplicates from here. Now after this, we need else if sum is the within this. So in that case, we just simply do the left plus plus, right? Otherwise, we will have a else condition where we will just simply do the right minus minus. Okay, we will decrease the right pointer to get a smaller sum. Okay, and here what we are going to do, to increase the left pointer to get a larger sum, right? And after everything is done, so we just out of this whole logic, we just do the return result, right? Let me submit this. Okay, it's got accepted. Now let me submit this. Okay, it's got accepted also. So here the if we analyze the complexity here, so the sorting takes n log n. Okay, like we are doing the sorting at the line number 4, and after doing the two pointer traversal, as you see that inside of for loop we have another while loop. Okay, and inside that there is another while loop. So the while traversing we are taking n square only. Okay, so the overall complexity of the solution is the n square, right?